Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Power on Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishne, and in today's video, I have come with the two hiring update. First is coming from Cloud Captain company. So company is hiring for fresher candidate, and company mostly sending an exam mail to everyone who are eligible for this hiring. And company is offering you 6 LP salary as a fresher. And second update is coming from SCL Tech company. So company is hiring for fresher and pass out candidate both. I will explain you each and everything, like what is the selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. So make sure you watch the video till the end and check out the other hiring also, because multiple companies hiring exam is still ongoing, like Netcore, Agoda. So do check out. Now talking about the first hiring update, that is coming from Cloud Captain company. So company currently hiring for apprenticeship role, and the location will be Kolkata. Currently company is hiring for Kolkata location. Talking about the qualification first. So company has mentioned if you have done BE, BTech or MCA, then you are eligible for this hiring, and your passing batch should be 24. Only one passing batch eligible for this hiring, and this job has marks criteria also. So you must have at least 60% marks in your 10, 12 and 70% in graduation with no active backlog. And this is a technical job, so you must have knowledge about one programming language. It may be C++, Java, Python. Because after applying for this hiring, you will receive 2 exam mail. First one for the aptitude round, and if you clear the aptitude round, then you will get coding round, and if you clear the coding round, then you will get a chance for interview. So this is a complete hiring process, and company has already mentioned. Talking about the salary package, so if you get selected for this role, then the starting of 6 months you will receive 15,000 per month, and after that you will receive 6 LP salary. So it's a wonderful opportunity. Must apply for this hiring. And I repeat myself, company sending a exam mail to everyone who are eligible for this hiring. So do apply for this hiring and attempt the exam. Maybe you get a job. Talking about the second hiring update, that is coming from SCL Tech company. So one of the company employee posted over the LinkedIn account. Company is hiring for fresh graduate for the role of global service desk, and your job location will be Lucknow and Nagpur if you get selected for this role. Talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you are already passed out in 21 batch, 22 batch, 23 batch and 24 batch, then all 4 passing batch eligible for this hiring. And this job has marks criteria also, so you must have at least 60% marks in your 10, 12, graduation or post graduation, whatever you have done. And along with this, company have bond also, which is for 12 months. And if you leave this company before 12 months, then you have to pay approximate 50,000 penalty to the company. And any degree can apply for this hiring. Company has already mentioned any fresh graduate, like you have done BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, BSc, BCom, BA, MA, any degree from any branch eligible for this hiring. You have to just fill this form, like your full name, phone number, email ID, state, pin code, 10th mark, 12th marks, and all our basic detail you can fill. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section, in Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So do check out and apply. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.